Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon and one of the wealthiest individuals globally, leads a dynamic and ambitious lifestyle. He resides primarily in several properties, including a mansion in Medina, Washington, and multiple homes across the United States. Bezos is known for his entrepreneurial spirit and relentless work ethic, often dedicating long hours to Amazon's expansion and innovation. He's deeply involved in various ventures beyond Amazon, including Blue Origin, his aerospace company aimed at space exploration and tourism. Bezos is known for his strategic investments in a wide range of industries, from technology to media and beyond. Despite his demanding schedule, Bezos also prioritizes personal time, often seen enjoying leisure activities such as sailing and socializing with high-profile figures. Additionally, he's committed to philanthropy, as seen through initiatives like the Bezos Earth Fund, which focuses on combating climate change. Overall, Bezos's life reflects a blend of innovation, ambition, and a commitment to making a lasting impact on the world.